Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Nachos and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we bring you football updates all over the world, bring you news from La Liga, Premiership, Syria, and the rest of the world. For now, we'll start with Arsenal Football Club. Aubameyang don barb new hairstyle for the match wey they go play against Spurs. No say anytime wey they play Spurs, now Baba dey barb new hairstyle, fresh one, because they believe something they give am inspiration. Let am play very well so that he go bust net. Though last season he barb the new hairstyle, but Ateta no let am play because of saying come late to training, he come offend Ateta. Ateta come use am do scapegoat to prove to them say if captain mess up, I go punish him. So make all of them they learn from this one. So now Baba don't go play to the hairstyle again. That is why Baba HL go and Baba Sato they will talk say make them know they play Aubameyang again. Say the guy na fashion design they can't do. Say the guy na fashionista. Say they know they play the guy. I don't say a lot of them share this same sentiment. Well, if you say that the thing they give her the ginger, I don't see a big occasion with this now. And say we hope say go score goal. Well, me I go support those. Say make if him go do and make him bust nets. That be my own. For the match where Manchester United play against Aston Villa, so Emi Martinez make a lot of saves, as in the guy don't grab a lot of headlines. So no how people when they bring that story about Martinez and Leno. So why Arsenal let them go? Arsenal fans, now for now, I don't want to let this matter die. They still bring up this matter, say why Arsenal will let Martinez go. At the end of the day, now they won't sell Leno. They can't go bring Ramsey. Well, I don't forget say Ramsey himself now don't they prove say he will be like Martinez or if not better than Martinez. More just give the guy time. More watch out to the match will be. You get a good keeper is a good keeper. All of us don't say Leno don't share. Leno don't get the qualities of Martinez. Neither does he have the qualities of Ramsey, because Ramsey did very good with the ball at his feet. Well, most see how today game will be sure. But my surprise, you get one report where they come outside where they talk say Spurs don't win only one of their last 28 games against Arsenal and they don't draw 11, can't lose 16, which means Arsenal they unbeaten in 25 of the last 27 games against Spurs. I know say when you be Arsenal fan, when they hear this kind of statistics and they're going to play the game for Emirates, in short for our mind like this, we don't already win in short. So we don't do like 80% winning they guarantee, because for this ground, for this Emirates, records have been set. I know say from history we don't know say records are meant to be set, and at the same time I don't forget say that same records are also meant to be broken. Today if you be deja vu, today if you be the day so Spurs one rise to the question say what's the world with now, what's that they feel like. You know say when people don't they praise Arsenal too much, praise them too much, most times they'll come they act differently, they'll come they misbehave, come they do anyhow. So all pundits now everybody talk, I say Arsenal winning 2-0, I say Arsenal winning 2-1, I say Arsenal winning 3-0. Even me self, I don't go lie for you. Waiting I see for this match, I say Arsenal winning 1-0 because it go there very tight. Even though na end-to-end stuff most times, but I just see tight encounter because Tottenham don't lose back to back 2 times. They go dey very cautious for this game. They no go come all out. Now wetin me at the team because their coach don't know Espirito Santos. The man go the reason say we get bad record for this place, so we no fit just come all out. I know see them get new centre back wey they call Romero. At the same time, their right back Emerson Royal, they never acclimatized to the league. They never really understand how they play for this EPL. That is why people they talk say make Arsenal target Romero and Emerson Royal, because these are their 2 new boys. The way we Tottenham themselves we want targets Tomiyasu and Ben White, because those are part of our new boys. But our own new boys they acclimatize better because Ben White don't play for the league before. Now only Tomiyasu will import, even though the guy they shine very well. So Tottenham must probably reason they go exploit that angle. We have the reason so go exploit their own angle. So now just battle of the Emirates. We'll know how things will solve. But overall, I don't see Arsenal losing. Another statistics when they come outside, they talk say Harry Kane now be the highest goal scorer for North London derby between Arsenal and Spurs, as this guy don't score 11 goals. What an achievement. The guy did very good. You know say Kane normal on a good day, if Kane play very well, una go fear, una go know say yes striker dey there, because the guy na point man, the guy they give assists, the guy they post net from outside, inside, anywhere. You get, and Kane, Son and Dele Alli, their partnership, even Lucas Moura self he play for them. So we need to be very careful, extremely careful. So if we keep the threats of Kane down, then Son no go fit play anything. But Son self na one man oppose, so if we keep that one self down, well, we go stand the fighting chance. But I know say now Arsenal no go come here come defend. I will dey home now with our supporter. Come on, we dey blast on all cylinders. Like today they go know why we dey call the corners. According to our monitoring spirit, they call Vote Bout 24. They let us know say Noah Lang of Club Brugge. They very happy say in the linked with Arsenal. Say Arsenal they interested in him. Say he go like to go play for EPL if Arsenal make their wishes come true. Say that that interest they make have turn to fulfillment. Say they come true. Don't be say talk is cheap. Then come knock for Club Brugge. Says, we have seen one fine mango in your house, so I want to come and pluck the mango. They make Club Brugge come tell us, okay, how much you? They'll come back in. But Club Brugge before the yesterday they reason that kind 20-25 million pounds. But now Vote Bout let us know say that kind 40 million pounds. Now Club Brugge put on the guy because the guy good die and the guy never reach a peak. He's still a young prospect, but the guy get direct style of play. That's why people they reason now. And AC Milan themselves don't they enter the mix. So I never know, but I started interested in the guy. So they look say by January if he go for the guy. Well, we'll watch as it will turn out. Kevin Campbell, one of our sweet pundits, don't come outside the talk say, for this Arsenal lineup, I think go like me them play Lokonga ahead of Partey, because when you check that Lokonga, the guy is born ready. The guy is ready to be baptized in this London derby. Some of them push Shaka, we just come from a break now. We come from coronavirus, come from suspension. The guy just come, the match fit, the match ready. He don't tell when he play football. He don't understand how football be again. Even though the guy they claim say he don't train, even Ateta self come outside from media sets in the talk say Shaka is in the best of spirits. Say he is very ready to fly into the match. But at the same time, Baba they talk say, you see this Lokonga, you don't need to put people with Spurs don't already know, with Spurs don't understand their style of play. Spurs know how they will rile them up emotionally, twist them so that they will misbehave. Like Lokonga now, they don't know how they will take face Lokonga, they don't know what they're capable of. But Shaka, everybody know what the Shaka fit do and what the Shaka no fit do. They get Shaka tape with them, they monitor, they go the scam part, they for the dressing room, they watch out for keep tell and say, you see this guy, if you do it like this, he will do like this. You see this guy, they like to go like this, he like to go like that. Or Lokonga, he never played the derby before, so they don't get anything where they go hold against them, and the guy go there free, express himself, and the guy is sharper. The guy Baba just talk some kind of features of Lokonga we go make us no play Shaka. So that is the thing. Well, any IB na coach get the final say until we see the lineup, they will know what's in the sub. Today, Arsenal go host Tottenham HOTSPUR for another North London derby. Yamo run check their head to head. For Emirates, for the last 5 games, Arsenal don't win 3 and draw 2. Last season we win 2-1 for here. Arsenal get fully fit squad to choose from, so Ateta go dey very happy with wetin God give am. Players to watch for this match na Lacazette, because Baba love to dey score against Spurs, but na whether Ateta go play am, because everybody dey talk say make Ateta play Aubameyang for the left, then make him play Lacazette for the center forward, or bench Aubameyang, play Lacazette for center forward, because everybody they expect to play Aubameyang, shock everybody, keep them in separate formation. But last Baba, any formation or any lineup if you say now you go use win, come on, make you use and win. And my dear football lover, I see this match, no be just any other match. This is the 169th North London derby between Arsenal versus Tottenham HOTSPUR, and we will be Arsenal fans. We want to make sure so we win this one, because we win and so don't get back to back wins. And if we keep clean sheets, we go dey very good for the confidence of the boys. But make una not forget say Tottenham HOTSPUR don't lose like 2 back-to-back already. So if they lose this one, it will come be 3, it will become disaster for them. So they no go like for that one to happen. But if you are watching this match, keep an open mind. See football, 11-11 on the pitch. When this match starts now, and North London derby, all histories, all records, all statistics will be thrown out of the window. All form will be thrown out of the window. It will be 11 men versus 11 men. Let us play the Battle of Emirates. I can't wait to start. I hope you said. So let me know on our prediction. I will tune at think. If you are not on, I say I see 1-0. If you are not know tune at this. Let me know for comment section. Who you think say will be the man of the match for this play? Who you feel say make them start that person? If they don't start that, everything will scatter. And what will be your prediction? So now say it just be. My dear football lovers, Omonaya will come to the end of today's show. Tomorrow, I'll come again, come giving a fresh updates as they drop all over the world. And if today is the first time we see our program, don't forget to like our posts, share our videos, follow us, and support us. And you see that bell notification icon where they there. Toggle them so that when next we drop videos, Facebook and YouTube will notify you so we don't drop out. Thank you for always supporting us, and God bless you.